Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about the Database Enhancement Gateway, otherwise you may know it as a DEG. So, a situation that you may encounter as a repair planner is missing information in any of the three estimating systems that you work off of. So missing information may include missing parts. It could be missing labor times. And we're going to talk about an inquiry as an example. Recent inquiry 18866 talks about a 2020 Dodge Durango. The repairer was working on it, and they encountered that there was a inner structure component that was missing not only the picture schematic in the diagrams, but also labor time and also potentially a footnote that might be applicable to that part. So again, the repairer was able to submit information such as the EPC from the manufacturer showing where that part is serviced. They showed it, they even submitted a photo of the car itself, so that way they can show the information provider some details of how the part is serviced, such as weld counts, such as complexity of how that part is installed. In addition, they provided the manufacturer repair procedures, any position statements that might be applicable to structural repairs. And again, with that, within 24 hours, we were able to submit it to the information provider, get a response back. They added the missing part picture, they added the labor time, 4.3 hours, and as well as a footnote saying time is after overlapping parts have been removed. So again, those are critical details that we're running across often, and this is very common in when you're repair planning in all three estimating systems is missing information. When you run across this, help us help you. Get us the information that we need, get us the information so that way we can get it submitted to the information provider and get it added quickly to the database so no one else has to run across that same issue. So again, degweb.org, get us the information as far as the missing details, and we'll get that added to the database and work with the information providers. Thank you very much and have a great day.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.